Good morning and welcome to a little tutorial. We're going to show you how to connect a Korg PA1000 to a organ. In this case we've got a VersiSonic, which is one of the newer types of organs, but it could be a piano, it could be a keyboard that you're using to control. It doesn't have to be an organ, but in this case, because the PA1000 works so brilliantly with external instruments, we're using the organ because we can show you how to use multiple MIDI channels to control the upper 3 voices, the control for the style, and even play the pedal voices from the organ that are in the keyboard. So stand by and we're going to show you how to do this. So the first thing we want to do is, on the PA1000, is go to the Midi settings, and the easy way to do that, you press the global button, and then on the screen you will see here MIDI in the middle. Simply press it, and then across the bottom we have general controls, MIDI in control, MIDI in channel, MIDI out channel. Well, what we want to go to is MIDI in control, and in MIDI control, on the right hand side of the screen at the top, you will see chord 1 channel. Here we've set this to 16 because what we're going to do is we're going to send a signal from the organ using Midi channel 16, and they will talk to each other. Imagine like having a conversation with somebody in a different country who speaks a different language. If you are both on the same Midi channel, they will talk together and you can understand. If we're sending a different channel from the organ to the keyboard, because the Korg is looking for channel 16, if the keyboard doesn't see channel 16 coming from the organ, they won't communicate. However, if we do send channel 16 from the organ, that will trigger the sounds and the features on the PA1000. That's a simple kind of way of me trying to explain it to those who don't really dig into MIDI deeply, like myself. I'm no MIDI expert. This is incredibly easy to use, even for me who stays away from MIDI like the plague. So this is really quite a nice addition if you are wanting to upgrade your instrument and add something new to it. And as I said, it doesn't have to be an organ you can control in with. This could be a piano, so as long as your piano is sending out signal channel 16 to the Korg, it will trigger. Let me show you. So here we are at the Versi, and as you can see, it's all set up on the screen, and I'm going to show you basically how to create a MIDI channel signal to send out to the marvellous PA1000. So what we do is we drag a sound from the sound pool onto the lower keyboard bar, and then what we do is we highlight it, go to sounds, go to user sounds, user, and we want to create a MIDI out signal. Okay, so there we've got our connection on extension external 2, so we click load, and then if we double tap, we can now see the settings. So as you can see here, that is set to MIDI channel 1. So to go to MIDI channel 16, all you do is highlight and keep going up to number 16. So that is sending out a signal to channel 16. And like I said at the beginning of the video, as long as the 2 are set, so that's channel 16, that lower voice is sending out, just zoom out so that you can see what we're doing here. So that lower voice is sending channel 16, and as you can hear, it's controlling the Korg. So if I now start the rhythm, or press synchro start, there, when I press a chord here, it's controlling the Korg. And it is so easy, absolutely simple as. And that's just to control the arranger. Now, because obviously you can send out different channels from the instrument, so from the upper, the lower, and even the pedal board down here. So I could actually say to the organ, send out Midi channel 1 on the pedal, and if I go to the Korg and press global and go to MIDI, which is already on, I could say MIDI in channel, I want Midi channel 1 to trigger, and if you look on here you've got loads of control. I can choose any of these options for it to control. One of them is the bass. So if I say I want to play the pedal on Midi channel 1, it will allow me to play the bass sound that's coming from the style on the Korg. And the same rule applies with the upper. I can trigger sounds from the upper that are played from the Korg. So apart from the styles, you can actually access all of the sounds from the PA 1000. It's incredibly easy, but the thing for me is the Korg has really superb style. I mean, really great styles. And the other winning benefit with the Korg is that they create styles free of charge. So if you go to their website and go to their bonusware section, you can get 78 sets of styles, hundreds upon hundreds of styles for this little box, and it will expand the sound of your instrument, be it this or a piano or a keyboard. Even if you've got something like a Genos or other keyboard that you want to simply expand, this will work remarkably well. And the thing to bear in mind, if you're not MIDI educated and you're not really sort of technically minded, you've literally got two things to push. So you simply go to global, go to MIDI control, and you simply send the correct MIDI channel from your keyboard or piano or organ to this keyboard, and you can control it from the organ. Now, why the Korg? That's the question. Well, for me, the Korg has styles that work well as an organist. The foxtrot, the ballroom, the country and western, all of the styles that you would normally use on an instrument like this has them, but the quality is superb. It really is. And as I keep saying, the styles that Korg add to their website are free. So for very little money, the PA 1000, there's a PA 700, or you can go to the PA 4X if you want to really go to the top of the range. They all work in exactly the same way. So you can add a Korg to your organ, piano, whatever you want to play along with, even an accordion. As long as you've got a digital MIDI interface on the instrument, you can control this from one of these. Hope this has really helped. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop a note. But for me, this is the box to go with this instrument. And there's no better. Okay, have a great day, and thanks for watching.